equality for advocating LGBTQ rights in the Philippines. In a society that values respect and dignity, no one should face discrimination because of their identity. Yet, many LGBTQ plus Filipinos continue to experience bias in workplace, schools, and healthcare institutions, despite the absence of comprehensive legal protection leaves them vulnerable and prejudice and injustice. What if you were denied a job because who you are? What if seeking healthcare meant facing discrimination for many LGBTQ plus Filipinos? This is a daily reality. This opening statement immediately drew the audience in by representing stark, real-life scenarios of discrimination faced by LGBTQ plus Filipinos. It set a serious and urgent tone, emphasizing that these issues are not hypothetical but part of everyday life for many. By posing direct question, it encouraged viewers to empathize and reflect the injustices experienced by LGBTQ plus community. This is the current situation. LGBTQ plus individuals in the Philippines continue to face discrimination in employment, education, and healthcare. While progress has been made, such as 2018 Supreme Court ruling on gender expression, legal protection remain incomplete. And what is the biggest issue? The SOGI Equality Bill, which would protect LGBTQ plus Filipinos from discrimination, has been stalled in Congress for over 20 years. What is the impact of discrimination? A gender person struggling to change their gender marker on legal documents, a same-sex couple unable to marry, a job application being rejected. Without legal protection, LGBTQ plus individuals face consequences that affect their mental health, economic stability, and personal lives. How can we change this? Here are 3 solutions that create more inclusive Philippines. Pass the SOGI Equality Bill. This law would protect LGBTQ plus individuals from discrimination in employment, education, healthcare, and public services. Companies should implement diversity and inclusion policies. Companies should implement diversity and inclusion policies. Schools should enforce anti-bullying measures and include LGBTQ plus representation in educational material. The fight for LGBTQ plus rights in the Philippines is far from over, but together we can create real change. Every step toward equality, whether through awareness, policy change, or everyday act of support, bring us closer to society where everyone is treated with dignity and respect. This is the right time to stand in solidarity, to push for the passage of SOGI Bill, and to ensure that no Filipino faces discrimination because who they are. Equality is not just an ideal, it is a right. Let's keep advocating, educating, and striving for a more individual and just Philippine because equality is for all.